Those advocating gun control seem to believe that we are not susceptible to our own human nature, our fallen nature. Let me explain. They continuously refer to those who would mention that a government would use this information to disarm its people and subjugate its people, torture its people, and kill its people. Well, you guys are a bunch of tinhead conspiracy theorists. Well, our founders, our founders understood this. And history is replete with examples of this. It's not conspiratorial to recognize our fallen nature. It's responsible. Crane Durham's Nothing But Truth. AFR Talk.